If you've been thinking about starting your own online store but don't want to pay up front, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get Shopify completely free for up to 90 days. That's 3 full months. And in some regions, even up to 120 days free. This is Shopify's hidden extended trial, and it's not available on the main Shopify website. So make sure you stay with me till the end because I'll walk you step by step through how to unlock this offer, set up your store, and start your e-commerce journey the smart way in 2025. Most people who visit Shopify.com only see the standard 3-day or 14-day trial. But what many don't know is that Shopify is currently offering special extended free trials through select partners and creators. This hidden 90-day trial gives you 3 or even 4 months completely free, depending on your region. That means you have time to build your store, design your website, upload products, and even make sales before paying a single dollar. It's a perfect way to start an online business without financial pressure and truly test the platform before committing. The first step to unlocking this hidden trial is simple. Click the special link in the description or pinned comment below. That link will take you directly to Shopify's hidden offer page. Once you're there, you'll see a sign-up form. Enter your email address, click Start Free Trial, and then you'll be prompted to create your Shopify account. Use the same email you just entered, choose a strong password, and click Create Shopify Account. It only takes a minute to get started. Next, Shopify will ask you a few setup questions to customize your experience. For the first step, choose Online Store as your main sales channel. You can also select additional options like social media or marketplaces if you plan to sell on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Etsy. Then click Next. Shopify will ask if you're already selling. If you're new to e-commerce, select I'm not selling yet. However, if you're switching from another platform such as WooCommerce or Wix, you can choose that option. But if this is your first online store, stick with not selling yet. After that, Shopify will ask about the type of products you plan to sell. You can choose from options like dropshipping, print on demand, physical products, or digital items. If you're not sure yet, don't worry. This isn't a permanent choice. Once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, you can explore apps like AutoDS or AppScenic to find winning products that are already selling well online. These apps are great tools for beginners who want to discover what's trending and what sells quickly. Now comes the most important part. Activating your Shopify free trial. After clicking Get Started, you'll be directed to a page where you need to choose a plan. My recommendation is to go with the basic plan. It includes everything you need to run your online store: a customizable website, secure checkout, analytics, and all the essential tools to grow your business. You'll then be asked to enter your payment details, but don't worry, you will not be charged until your free trial ends. Shopify simply uses this information to confirm your account and ensure your store remains active during the trial period. Next, you'll enter your business address and other basic details. This information is required for billing and tax purposes later, so make sure it's correct. Once you click Save, congratulations! Your Shopify free trial for 2025 is officially activated. You now have up to 90 days free to explore, experiment, and launch your store. Once inside your Shopify dashboard, this becomes your control center, where you build, customize, and manage your entire store. Shopify's drag-and-drop website builder makes it super easy for beginners. You don't need to know coding or design skills. Simply choose a theme, upload your logo, change colors, adjust layouts, and make your website look exactly how you want. Within a few hours, you can have a fully functional, professional-looking online store ready to go live. When your store design is ready and you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to make your site public. To do that, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Remove Password. That's it. Your site is now visible to the public and officially open for business. This Shopify free trial in 2025 is truly one of the best opportunities to start an online business with zero upfront cost. Having 3 full months gives you plenty of time to test different products, experiment with marketing strategies, attract customers, and even make your first sales before paying anything. It's the perfect setup for anyone who wants to build something real without rushing. However,
Keep in mind that this offer isn't permanent. Shopify may remove or shorten this extended trial at any time, and if you miss out, you might only get the regular 3-day or 14-day trial in the future. So don't wait. Click the link in the description right now to claim your Shopify 90-day free trial while it's still available. Follow the steps I've shown you, and within minutes, you'll have your own e-commerce store ready to launch. If you've ever wanted to start selling online, create your own brand, or test a new product idea, this is your chance. Build something real and start your Shopify journey today completely free. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials, and leave a comment below sharing what kind of store you're building. I'd love to hear your ideas and maybe even feature your store in a future video. Until next time, keep building, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.